What's up, everybody? It's your boy Owen with Trinity Jumpers. Welcome to another video that we're bringing you today. This one is how to clean a bounce house like the one behind me. This one's a combo, but the same thing works for a regular bounce house. The same thing works for water slides, combos, inflatable games. It's pretty much the same process. So today, I'm going to show you the basic items that you need, like the vacuum, the leaf blower, the type of spray that we use, and also just the rags that we use. So I'm going to show you the procedure and the steps that we do in order to get your bounce house looking clean and crispy for your next delivery. So come on, let's go ahead and take a look inside. Okay, so here we go. Here's a few of the items we need. First, you're going to need a leaf blower. That's the first step. We go in there, we blow out the jumper with the leaf blower. And then next is going to be the portable vacuum. Basically, whatever the leaf blower doesn't blow out, we go back in there and we vacuum it up. So then by the end of running these two tools, the jumper's empty, has no more trash, no more grass or sand in between the stitching and all that. So then next, you're gonna want your rags, just some regular basic junk rags. And then we got our spray right here. And this is something that I make. I use Simple Green. And I mix it with the ZEP because the ZEP has antibacterial disinfectant, which kills 99% of the germs. So you want to mix that with the Simple Green because the Simple Green alone, it doesn't have the antibacterial unless you get a special one. So for the one we're using, we mix these two, and then the rest we add water. And then we go in there and we spray all areas of the bounce house and we clean it. So now that you guys got all the items that you need to clean it, let's go ahead and go in there. We're gonna vacuum it out first. No, we're gonna use the blower first, and then we're gonna go ahead and vacuum it out. All right, so we got our blower. The first thing we're gonna do is start from the back of the jumper and just blow it out. Blow it on low just to kind of get most of the heavy stuff out. And then once we do that, we're gonna come back with the vacuum and vacuum up whatever else the blower didn't get. So all right, now that we got everything out with the blower, all the stuff that couldn't get out, like little pieces of sand and grass leaves that are like right here in the seams, we're gonna come back with the portable vacuum and just go ahead and get all that stuff up so that when we're wiping it with the spray and the rag, you don't get anything in your way. All you're doing is cleaning off all the marks, cleaning off the candy or whatever kind of stains, the shoe marks that they have in there. And then after that, we just continue. We hit the whole inside. Then we're going to move to the outside. So I'm going to start vacuuming it up. You don't want to hit all the seams. All right, so now that we got it all vacuumed out, we used the leaf blower, got all the heavy stuff out of here, got all the sand and the leaves out of the seams. Now what we're gonna do is get our spray, our ZEP, and our Simple Green mixture, and we're gonna start from the back of the bounce house, and we're just gonna work our way this way. I just picture it as if it was like, if you ever worked on concrete, start from the furthest way out, the first part that you laid out, and you just wipe it down, and then continue to come back. That way you don't go over any areas that you had already cleaned. So we're gonna start from that corner and then work our way back forward. So what I do is I get two rags, one for each hand. So I got one right there, got one right here. Then what I do is I spray the area. Let's start off in this corner. I put it on stream just to get more of a powerful hit. Spray that whole back section. There you go. Get your rags. And then it's basically like a wax on, wax off type of thing. This one was real dirty, so you're gonna have to get it real good with some elbow grease into that. So this is going to be the hardest part of dealing with bounce houses, and that's just keeping them clean, maintaining them, and the goal is to keep them as clean as you can so that they can last you as long as they can, so you can make as much money as you can off of them. So we're going to hit the next section up. This thing was dirty. This one was on blacktop, so look at that. And if you see some crumbs or any kind of trash as you're going, go ahead and grab that vacuum. Just vacuum it up. All right, so that's just 2 sections. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of this right here. All right, so now we cleaned the whole inside, so now we're going to work on the outside. So the first thing that we do is we're going to do this step right here. We're going to hit the side of the slide, and then we're just going to work our way all the way around the bounce house. All right, so that's going to be it. We cleaned the inside first, then we came back, hit up the outside. Now it's fully clean. It's sanitized. We're going to go ahead and let it dry up, deflate it, roll it up, and this bad boy is going to be ready for the next event. So that's all you do. If you got any questions, go ahead and leave us a comment, and we're going to go ahead and answer that for you. So go ahead and like. Don't forget to subscribe. We're trying to get the channel to grow. At the same time, we want to help you guys grow. So go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.